This bootleg Popeyes is over here on Lewis and Glen, Florida. I hate that place. Thank you. Because every time I show up, they ain't never got chicken. I'm getting mad thinking about it, bro. Like every time I go there. So the first time I pulled up, they was like, there's gonna be a 10-minute wait. And I'm like, okay, cool, I guess, on mild, right? Then give me some spicy. Oh, I'm sorry, sir, there'll be a 15-minute wait on spicy. What? What kind of chicken place don't have chicken?
I know, right?
Like, that's the one thing you're supposed to have. That's what you got the commercials for. You're supposed to have chicken. The second time I went and it happened again, I didn't go back a third. For what?
That's right.
You're false advertising. You all. I feel that way about some churches that run around here talking about we specialize in love and we got this great product that's available to everybody, but when people show up on the scene, it's a 10-minute wait on love and a 15-minute wait on compassion.
Talk about it. Talk about it.
How you got the one thing you say you're supposed to specialize in, and when people show up on the scene to get some of it, you ain't got none? Because you're false advertising. You're telling people you got something, and when they show up, they don't see it, they don't feel it, they don't smell it, it's nowhere present. But if you wait long enough, if you change how you dress, if you take that hat off, if you talk a little different, if you don't be who you naturally are, oh, wait 15 minutes, then we'll love you. In church, if we're gonna mess up anything, it can't be this. There's a whole lot of stuff I'm cool with us not being good at. But if we the church that can't love, I got to leave. We can't be that church.